New here at 10 tonight, how would you spend $40 million if you had to give it all to charity? That was the question facing the Tennessee Attorney General's office. However, their proposal to give the money to a new statewide foundation, well, that's raising some eyebrows. Investigative reporter Ben Hall reveals an unusual court battle.
The big questions are, was this done secretly, and is this money going to the right place? Groups that support senior citizens are fighting the Attorney General in court.
Today they're going to get turkey and rice.
Sherry Loke sees seniors in need every day.
Our older adults have done a lot for our community.
She is director of the Meals on Wheels program for the nonprofit 50 Forward.
And I feel like not only are we giving them a great meal, we're honoring them. Hey, there you are!
50 Forward is asking a Nashville judge to reject the Tennessee Attorney General's plan to distribute $40 million. They must go to charities.
I miss you.
They believe senior citizens groups have been cut out of the plan.
Certainly, thank you for my love.
Absolutely.
I hope the court will stay with the position that these funds need to be used for the benefit of older adults across Tennessee.
Executive Director Janet Jernigan said her organization did not even know it could apply for the funds until the day before the deadline.
I think that's the first time we've ever found out about something that important the day before.
The $40 million came from a settlement of a lawsuit involving NHC and two nonprofit nursing home operators. Because the Attorney General's office oversees nonprofits, the court told them to come up with a plan for the money.
It's kind of like a bicycle, but it only has one wheel. A unicycle.
50 Forward and other senior citizens groups believe the money should benefit seniors because it came from a nursing home case. But the Attorney General's office had other ideas. It recommended starting a foundation for a greater Tennessee to promote healthier, more livable communities in Tennessee. It wants to put $35 million into the new foundation.
I was very surprised about it.
Advocates for seniors are not the only ones challenging the proposal. Chancellor Ellen Hobbs-Lyle was surprised that services to the elderly were not a prominent part of the plan and asked whether it was wasteful and redundant to start a new statewide foundation.
But inside all of us, there's a desire to get to a healthier state.
She cited Governor Haslam's newly launched Healthier Tennessee Foundation as an example of a foundation that seems to already do what the Attorney General is proposing. But the Attorney General's office responded in court documents that the foundation for a greater Tennessee would be different. The AG also said there's no law in Tennessee that would require this money to directly benefit senior citizen groups. The AG's office received 26 proposals for using the $40 million. The AG said it did not have the expertise to evaluate the proposals, so they hired a consultant to develop the plan.
Our total agency budget on an annual basis is $4 million.
$12.30, this is it. Our volunteers give their time, their gas.
50 Forward and other senior groups believe they could make an immediate impact with a small portion of the $40 million.
Hey!
They are already doing the work
So good to see you.
and say the need is growing.
All right. Thank you.
The Attorney General has said their plan is best for all Tennesseans, including seniors. The judge has ordered another hearing to hear from all sides in this case. Ben Hall, News Channel 5, investigates.
That court hearing takes place tomorrow in Chancellor Lyle's courtroom. Of course, we will follow up and let you know what happens.